All right, out looking at AC units today. So, lots of growth and shit. Okay, moving on. On to the next thing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ooh, Western doors. Cowboy. Gotta love that pink stuff. Oh hell. Am I gonna die going up? Stay tuned. I keep falling in and out of love with you. Oh, we're safe. Tell me you don't love that awesome wallpaper. He's a provider. Hey, I ain't lying. I got holes. I got holes. At least it's a nice view, though. Ah, the staircase to hell. This is the top floor to hell. Welcome to nothing I'm looking for up here. Yeah, what is that? Oh, that's creative. They've put all the bath fans into one box going out the roof. Huh. Back down. Do 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 do. Alright, we gotta close the door on hell. Hell yeah! Wish me luck. Better record this so if I fall. We're back at Pinky's Paradise Bar. The guy done walked this whole damn house, walked back to the front door where the Western shit is. And this damn thing was hiding in here the whole time. Right by the front door, and I walked this whole house. God! Something touched me. That was a mop. Now let me see you mop. Mop, 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 mop. Lean and mop, mop, mop. Turn around. What a fascinating duct system we have here. Yes. Quite unusual. Let me take my notes. Alright. How many inches you working with, girl? That's nice. Up, down, I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. And thank you for following me on my journey. Sayonara. Closing the door on this final chapter. But look at these trees, though. No, I'm just playing. Look at these trees. It's a bougie trees. Okay, I'm done. For real, I'm done.